In today's video, I'll show you how to add the face tracker effect in DaVinci Resolve. So our first stop is to head to the Fusion tab. And now here in the Fusion tab, we want to make sure to click on Median 1. That's a left click, by the way. And then we're going to press Ctrl plus space. And we'll just type planar tracker and you can click on add. Okay, so make sure your nodes are connected. And now what we want to do is go to the start of the clip or the start of where you want the effect to begin. So let's say over here, then our operation mode stays on track. If you don't have this, just click on inspector and we're going to press set. Okay, cool. So next thing we want to do is go to our tracker and we're going to change that to hybrid point, and our motion type, we're going to change to translation. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to circle the area that we want to motion track. So just click and make the shape of the person's face. Doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is far from it. Okay, so now that that's done, what we're going to do is we are going to play the clip through. We're going to do it here on the tracking tab. It's that one over here, and click on it. And just let this play through till it reaches the end of the clip. Okay, we are back. So we want to change our operation mode to stabilize now. And that is that. Effect is done. But if we go back to our edit tab here and click on the inspector, just note that it's actually moving the entire video around. So we will have some black bars on the end and doesn't look great. So all we need to do is just zoom in. So here we can just go over here and zoom in a little bit. There we go. Do consider liking and subscribing if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next DaVinci Resolve video.